Why hello guys, it's me, it's Owibble, and I am showing you a unique sniper rifle. And I gotta say, this is an awesome sniper rifle. It's right here. You need 100 lockpick, and yeah, it's probably gonna take me a while. Yeah, that's a trick that I like doing. If you think it's almost about to break, that means you exit it. It means you have to get it perfect, which is really annoying. Still going. I'm sorry about this taking so long. It's annoying, but whatever. I'll persist. Oh, almost out of there. There we go. The Gobi Campaign Scout Rifle. Some ammunition right next to it. And I shall show you right now. It is in fact golden, as you can see here. And this is a really good weapon. So I advise you getting it. Also, this is EDE. Once you save, I don't know if you can do it before you save Prim, but yeah. Once you saved him, then once you save Prim, sorry, then you go into the, I can't remember what residence, but it's to the right after you come out of the casino, and you go in there, and then EDE should be sitting there. So keep all your sensor modules, because you need 2. You need 1 scrap electronics and 3 scrap metal. So that's how to get this guy. He's also really good, so I advise you picking up him. Also, rate, comment, and subscribe, and well, see you guys later. Peace.